I'd like to demo this 2-inch pump. It's called the Pit Boss 101V. It's a new model they put out. It has a 2-inch discharge. It's completely enclosed in a stainless steel screen. It's good for dirty areas. The pump is very ruggedly built. It has a float switch, and as you can tell, it shut itself off when it gets the water down. When the water gets up to about 7 or 8 inches, it'll kick back on again. It comes with a 33-foot cord. It only uses about 6 amps of electricity, so it's not a big power consumer. It's good for home use or for construction use. It's be perfect for basements, pits, or like if you live here where we do in the hurricane season on this Texas Gulf Coast, we're always needing to pump down areas in our yard. We have a very large yard that has some drainage reservoirs in it, and you can see it kick on and off. I'll run this, let it cycle here a few times. It took it no time to pump that wash tub down, and it's small enough and compact enough it'll fit in a 5-gallon bucket. Very compact storage. It weighs about 32 pounds. A pump up to 36 foot of maximum head. Of course, the more head you put on it, the slower it'll pump. But at 3,600 gallons an hour, that's a pretty good rate. And all in all, it's a great pump for the homeowner or the contractor. The Site Drainers Pit Boss Model 101V. And you can see works great with the 2-inch collapsible hose. And that's it. Thank you.